How to set stop mode. On your Eddi, go to the menu by clicking X, and then using the arrow functions, go down to heater settings. Press tick, use the arrows again to go to stop mode, press tick again, press tick to stop, and that is stop mode enabled. You can see on your home screen it now says stopped. How to cancel stop mode. Go to your main menu again by pressing X. Use the arrow button to go down to heater settings. Press tick. Down to stop mode. Press tick again. And press X for normal. And that is stop mode cancelled.